Hey, my name's Ryan, owner-operator of Hearing Health AZ. I wanted to put together a quick video to let you know there are solutions to tinnitus. There's a bunch of masking noises within hearing aids that help cover up or mask the internal ringing, rushing, or roaring. Whether it's white noise, brown noise, or even ocean waves like here at Rocky Point. Book an appointment with your hearing care provider and see which masking noise works best for you. We really appreciate the support over the last 5 years, Phoenix. Give us a call at 480-862-HERE or book online at phoenixhearingaids.com. We'll see you then.